So much for OPEC's production cuts. According to Reuters, the cartel's oil output has risen to a 2017 high. OPEC and non-OPEC producers will meet in Abu Dhabi next week to discuss why some nations aren't fully complying with their commitment to cut output. Despite the increase in supply, the price of domestic crude surpassed $50 a barrel. The commodity climbed 8% last week.
And that rise in the price of oil is being felt by drivers at the gas pump. But for how long? DeAngelis takes a look.
Have you noticed something at the pump? It's getting more expensive to fill up. Over the last month, oil prices have climbed a little more than 7%, and today crossed $50 a barrel for the first time in 2 months. Most of that run-up coming because of evidence of summer driving demand kicking in later in the summer. The average price of a gallon of gas is following crude prices higher, now $2.32. And AAA says it could go even higher than that.
We've seen prices rise about 5 cents in a little over a week and a half, and we anticipate that prices will go up another 5 cents by the time we hit Labor Day. This is really for drivers. It's kind of an end to a very lovely summer where we were seeing low gas prices moving into July. Obviously, those dropping summer gas prices, those days are over.
The rise in prices has been swift and sharp. It wasn't long ago that we were talking about lower gas prices this summer, kind of like
Christmas in July.
But the focus has shifted, and now some experts say it's possible that prices will surpass their peak this year of $2.42 a gallon, and they could do it rather quickly. The funny thing with fuel is when crude falls, gas prices take their time to move down. But when crude prices spike, the hikes come very quickly.
There's a number of factors in the summer that actually cause gas prices to spur up that aren't directly connected with crude prices. We also are looking at higher demand this summer. We also are looking at U.S. production levels, as well as where refiners are in terms of their runs. And so there's a lot of other factors playing into the price at the pump, not only the price of crude.
But will more expensive gas be a higher trend for the rest of the year? It depends. Driving demand drops in the fall and prices usually move lower. But rising tensions in Venezuela could keep the underlying price of crude elevated, which would translate at the pump as well. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Jackie DeAngelis.